Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be trying out all these products from the Tgin Curls and Roses line. I used 3 products in my styling routine today out of this box, and all of them combined gave me these beautiful curls. It's been a while since my hair has looked this good, so I'm super excited. I love it. I love the results. Everything about it is just perfect. I'm so excited to find products that I love because, like I said, you guys, I'm not doing hair videos unless it's something that I find that really works in my hair, and these products are absolutely necessary. So first and foremost, I started with the Rose Water shampoo. It's super cleansing. I liked it a lot. It made my hair really clean. It did set up, which I did like that, but it didn't set up too much where it made my hair feel like it was stripped. It did a very good job cleansing my hair. After that, I went in with Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask, and it was definitely comparable to the other Tgin mask that I absolutely love because it gave me a lot of slip. It made my hair super soft, easy to detangle, and I just absolutely loved it. So after I rinsed that out, I went in with the Rose Water Leave-In Conditioner, and this product glided through my hair very easily. It gave me a lot of slip. It detangled my hair. It definitely helped with the detangling process after washing, and my hair felt just super soft after. After I applied the leave-in conditioner, I went in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. So I applied it all over on top, just like I did with the leave-in. And I definitely felt like it was clumping my curls together really nicely. I liked that a lot. And you guys know I don't really layer products like that, but it didn't feel like it was weighing my hair down. It actually felt nice. After that, I went in with the Curl Defining Mousse because I felt like it locked everything in and kind of helped with those areas that kind of didn't take product as much, because I have areas in my hair where they don't necessarily take product really well. So the mousse did help with that, and after that, I let my hair air dry. Do you not see my hair? Like, it's been a while since my hair looked this good, so I'm kind of excited. You know, I haven't really been, paying attention to my hair that much. But as far as this combo though, this combo is a winner. This combo is definitely gonna be one of my go-tos. When I want my hair perfectly defined, this is going to be my go-to products together in that order. Definitely recommend the Curls and Roses line 100%. As you can see, the back is defined too, but I did sleep on my hair like I said, so if I didn't fall asleep on my hair, I feel like it would have been extra defined, and my hair is due for a haircut, so don't come for me. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.